What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. It's not every day I actually get to sit at the office and the home office, that is, and pick up the phone. But I got this phone call in about an hour and a half ago, and it seemed like a pretty normal conversation. The gentleman's calling about found our company listing on Argo. You know, they make those Argo boxes, but apparently also make electric boilers. And he wanted to know if we put those in. I was like, never even knew that an electric boiler existed by Argo, and I've never seen one. But as always, first time for everything, right? But then the conversation goes real south really fast, and I think maybe he was on drugs. So um, let's play. Let's go to the videotape.
Good afternoon, Pipe Doctor. How can we help you?
Good, how you doing? I found you looking through Argo manufacturer's website on sales dealers on electric boilers. All right.
Say it again?
I found you this company Argo. You know,
Okay.
I live in North Massapequa. We have oil or gas heat usually in our area, but the people in the planet also have electric boilers.
Yeah, some
So-
people do. Not around here, though, but okay.
So you're listed as a dealer of this company Argo,
Okay.
like the Ben Affleck movie.
News to me.
Yeah. Do you know if you really do it, or was it a fluke that you're on there?
I've never seen an Argo electric fire boiler. I've heard of them, but we've never,
Yeah.
it's not in the area.
Mm-hmm.
It's not in the area because there's no support in the area. There's no support in the area, no one's putting them in until it becomes more,
Common, yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, sounds good. Yeah, I'm just trying to investigate because I was trying to get from oil to gas, and the only affordable estimate I could find, the guy seems a bit flaky, and no one else is willing to match it. Everybody wants to double and triple these prices, so I'm probably just going to stay oil if I can't find someone that can.
You have a boiler?
I have an oil boiler,
How
yeah.
many zones of heat?
4.
For baseboard heating?
Yeah, hydronic, baseboard.
A number in the low 20s is usually fair price.
For
Conversion?
gas. I've gotten prices from 6, 8, 12. Now you're up to 20. Okay.
Yeah, so that shows you how, you have to compare apples to apples.
I guess if you can get 20, you can get 30. Why not ask
I
30?
could get as much as I
Go
want.
fuck yourself. You're a fucking cocksucker.
You
You
are.
know what? Go
No, I
fuck
wouldn't believe
yourself. You're a fucking scumbag, fucking charlatan, fucking piece of shit.
That is some crazy shit, and we should give him a call. You guys are a nut job, by the way. Select answered calls. Yeah. His name is Michael. His last name starts with C. Fuck it. Catalano. Catalano. Lives in North Massapequa. That's where I hear it's like they call it West Amityville. I don't know, but he told me to go F myself. Oh yeah? Crazy nut jobs out there. Catch you on the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.